Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make one-pot sesame chicken rice with rice cooker. Hope you like it. You only need rice cooker for this recipe. It's easy and convenient. This sesame chicken rice tastes so good. It's easy to make and suitable to make during busy working weekday at home. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: boneless drumstick, rice, spring onion, ginger, shiitake mushrooms. Rice wash and set aside. Wash and squeeze dry mushroom, then slice and set aside. Diced spring onion. Place onion white and onion green separately. Sliced ginger. Cut boneless drumstick into small pieces, chicken skin set aside. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Mix evenly and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Drizzle cooking oil and 2 tablespoons sesame, all in rice cooker pot. Add onion white and ginger slices, stir fry to release flavor. Add mushroom slices and stir fry. Add chicken skin, stir fry to release chicken oil. Add chicken cubes. Add rice and stir fry to enhance the aromatic. Add black soy sauce to add color. Add water and let's cook rice. Rice, water equals 1 to 1.2 to 1.5. This ratio is the most suitable. As long as the water is slightly higher than the rice by about 1.5 to 2 centimeters, which is about 1 finger joint, the rice will not be watery or undercooked. Rice is cooked. Wow, smells so good! Stir and mix everything together. Rice looks good. Remove chicken skin from rice. Serve while still hot. Add the fried vegetables and eggs, and a healthy and nutritionally balanced lunchbox is ready. Garnish with onion green. It's so easy and looks so appetizing, right? If you are in a hurry, you can also simmer the vegetables when the rice is just cooked, while eggs can be steamed together when you start cooking the rice. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.